Hey there. I'm going to do a fun little doodle sheet, and this is a little stress reliever, but it's kind of fun and it gives you a couple techniques that you can go and do other stuff with. So what I'm going to do is put about 5 flowers on here, and we'll use the Valencia and the watermelon, and let's put that in. All right, there's one. It didn't do great, but maybe the next one will. And you know, if you don't like one, re-wet it and keep going. I think that's what we'll do here. I do not like this one at all. I like that one much better. All right, I'm going to do these. I will speed it up, and you won't have to watch. Those are done. What I'm going to do here is get my tray and put some colors in it. Put some alcohol. There. I'm going to use my little stylus thing. Remix this up. Or just put some new color in it. There we go. And don't put your dots up against each other, because those will probably run together. I wasn't thinking. And with putting more alcohol to dilute this a little bit, these won't be real dark, so your flowers will still be the darkest part, which is what I'm wanting here. And I'm just putting some big ones in right now. There'll be a lot of different sizes. Okay, I have been having a good time. This is really cool to do. If you don't even like the picture, it's fine. I'm not sure I do either, but go do this technique. This is so fun and relaxing. And right now I'm just going through and putting dots inside of the dots and adding some little extra dimension there, but it is just a lot of fun, very relaxing. I almost forgot what I was doing there for a minute. So go try this. If you like doing the flowers, do them. I could do a page of just these dots and I think I'd be happy. I'm not quite sure when I'm going to stop because this is pretty fun. But look at it as a new technique, or something to just piddle when you're in the mood to just do something that you don't have anything in mind. This is a lot of fun. So I hope that gave you some good ideas, and hit that subscribe button and go have fun.